For moving heavy loads over rough terrain, the Haddock Crawler Transporter is a strong and fuel-efficient vehicle. At 0.29 kilograms per centimeter squared ground pressure, its empty weight is around 28 tons, and its payload capacity is up to 30 tons. There are 58 tons of weight in all, while the ground pressure is only 0.61 kilograms centimeters squared. The machine's carrier device design enables the mounting of a variety of bodies, such as tippers and container spreaders. A dozer blade is located on the crawler transporter's back for installing soil head-on. Floor installation is made possible by the direct use of the dozer blade because the soil is loaded at a loading point and moved far into the region. The crawler transporter makes rapid work of installing huge weights by moving about 14 meters cubed per tour. On some job sites, a John Deere HD764 high-speed dozer is used in conjunction with an Ashland 130 XL2, a 13.3 cubic yard front dolly wheel scraper. The scraper and other self-propelled scrapers use the 764 as a loading and assisting vehicle. With the 764 able to load the scraper and help other scrapers with climbing stockpiles or towing big loads, efficiency and production are boosted. The 764 has been converted from a support vehicle to a production asset by being used as a loading and assistance vehicle. The operator can now contribute to the total production rate while maintaining haul lanes and level stockpiles. The pairing of the Ashland 130 XL2 with the John Deere HD764 has shown to be a potent and effective one, enabling quicker project completion and more profitability. As a result of its power and design restrictions, the 764 can only be used to tow a dolly wheel scraper like the Ashland 130 XL2. However, this particular mix has been demonstrated to be very beneficial in a number of situations, making contractors and building businesses like it. A bulldozer control system called the MC Max Dozer was created to facilitate heavy work on a lot of job sites. It's supported by the MCX platform, ensuring that the operator has the access to the necessary tools. The MC Max Dozer can change its guidance settings to accommodate various worksite circumstances, such as open sky access or close proximity to structures. In addition, the operator may also select the degree of control and accuracy they want, and the manual option lets them push dirt by feel. The operators can set the machine to 3D automatic mode if they would prefer to automatically follow the grade to design. As a result, they can now have their equipment customized to match their abilities, working conditions, and working styles. A lightweight forwarder with big tracks and little ground pressure, the JCB Evap Pro is perfect for young forests all year long. Its small size offers good stability, and its steel-shod shacks are resilient even in uneven terrain. The machine has a 5,000 kilogram load capacity but only 3 psi, 0.21 kilograms per centimeter squared of ground pressure. POMS 4.71 is the standard crane, and Parker steering hydraulics are included. A folding 80 centimeter extension is included in the load space for simple transit. In the event of a rollover, a falling object, or an object entering the driver's area, the safety cabin, which is ROPS, OPS, and FOPS certified, will protect the driver. The KEMROCK EK chain cutter is a versatile attachment designed for use on excavators from 2 to 50 tons. It's suited for cutting stone with a unit-axle compressive strength of up to 100 MPa. making it appropriate for a variety of applications in the mining and construction sectors. The KEMROCK EK chain cutter's capacity to create trenches with a narrow width is one of its primary advantages. The KEMROCK chain cutter automatically eliminates material from the space between the cutter drums, in contrast to conventional drill and blast techniques, which frequently lead to wider trenches than necessary. Trenches should be kept as narrow as feasible to reduce extra transportation expenditures for hauling away cut material and to lower the cost of fill. The chain cutter creates fine-grained material that's perfect for filling. This minimizes the amount of fill material required, lowering the cost of the procedure as well as the transportation expenses for the removed material. The KEMROCK EK chain cutter is effective and economical in addition to being vibration-free, giving the excavator a stable and balanced ride. The material produced is fine-grained because of the continuous chain design, which eliminates the need for additional processing. A clever robot called Boston Dynamics Robot Dog provides a solution to robotic problems, enabling safer and more reliable operations. This makes use of a dynamic sensing platform and offers insightful information on normal operations, site health, and potentially hazardous situations, allowing teams to concentrate on crucial tasks while avoiding danger. Despite having a lot of functionality, it's simple to use and simple to learn, so it can be quickly deployed for manual operations and autonomous missions. With its 14-kilogram payload capacity, reliable API, and thorough documentation, it can be adapted for inspection, research, and hazardous response. It has the ability to function independently, recharge, replan routes around new obstacles, and right itself when it falls. The John Deere 1050K dozer is a strong machine with an operating weight of 43,270 to 43,590 kilograms and a net power of 261 kilowatts at 1800 RPM. It has a 3,419 millimeter long track on the ground, which offers outstanding stability and traction. The John Deere 1050K dozer has modern hydraulic features that make operation simple and give users more control, as well as fuel-saving innovations that reduce running costs and boost productivity. The machine's also made to be simple to maintain, with wide-open access for routine maintenance and expanded undercarriage options for a longer lifespan. With groundbreaking technology-based solutions that save downtime and keep your equipment operating at its peak, John Deere's connected support technology also makes it possible for effective resolution of any difficulties that could emerge. The R980 SME excavator is created to deliver outstanding performance and productivity in demanding conditions and applications. It has a number of important features that add to its remarkable digging abilities and service life. First off, the stick and bucket cylinders of the excavator have larger diameters and are specifically made to optimize braking power and digging effectiveness. The stick cylinders also include interior protection to maximize durability and lengthen service life. For the most exposed cylinders, optional protection is offered to keep them from coming into contact with materials directly and to further increase their longevity. When working in challenging conditions, where exposure to abrasive materials is significant, this function is especially helpful. Other types of buckets are also available as options to suit specific application needs. A specialist piece of machinery, called the Concrete Buster CB7500, was created especially for primary demolition of vast reinforced concrete constructions. Its small size and lightweight enable it to access hard-to-reach regions and produce the best results when used with long front carriers or high-reach carriers. The Concrete Buster CB7500 is an excellent option for areas where noise is an issue and hydraulic breakers are not allowed because of its ability to handle extremely abrasive materials and operate in low visibility environments. Additionally, it can easily break heavy concrete at great heights and effectively destroy thick foundation walls thanks to its broad jaw holes and tremendous cracking forces. Because of its adaptability, effectiveness, and dependability, the Concrete Buster CB7500 has become increasingly popular among construction and demolition professionals worldwide. The 4520 tractor from VentTrak delivers a special blend of robustness, operator experience, and machine performance. Superior visibility is provided by its front-mounted attachments, while agility is guaranteed by a rotating frame. Balance and stability are ensured by proper weight distribution. For versatility and ground care specialists, VentTrak has emerged as the best option, providing a superb service. A new forestry mulcher called the M500E1100 is made for excavators weighing 18 to 25 tons. Seismic lines, natural availability, landscape maintenance, habitat maintenance, embankment maintenance, renaturalization, and composting are just a few of the many uses for the M500E1100. Additionally, it engages in stump grinding, which entails milling or shredding tree stumps in order to recycle rootstock. With high-speed trenching up to 10 times faster than a backhoe or excavator, the AFT100 trenching machine is a powerful equipment ideal for tractors with 80 to 105 horsepower or more. For hard soil conditions, the machine can be equipped with an extra heavy digging chain with bullet teeth and optional soil clearing conveyor systems. It's perfect for putting in water pipelines and fiber optic cables. A 26 horsepower, 2-cylinder Japanese Honda IGXV 800 gasoline engine powers the robust, remote-controlled Ecotech H27 Panther track mower. Even on inclined slopes, its sophisticated construction and computerized fuel injection technology guarantee excellent lubrication. The vehicle has remarkable grip skills, keeping traction above average on natural slopes and shaky roadways with slopes of up to 65 degrees. Its welded cutting deck and incredibly effective mowing technique enable it to cut through thick grass, self-sown plants, untamed bushes, wastelands, woody branches, and trees with a diameter of up to 7 centimeters. The machine's remote control system enables it to work in challenging terrain and a great distance from the working area. It features a heat exchanger and cooling fan for optimal fluid cooling, emergency stop buttons, low fuel warning light, and beacon lights for operator comfort. The H27 Panther's dynamic and maneuverability make it suitable for mowing in both directions and confined spaces. A heavy-duty cradle with a 140-ton load capacity that can hoist 24 tons across a 20-meter work area is called the SANY Bogan 6140E. Due to its sturdy wide-gauge undercarriage, it can transport huge loads and handle heavy attachments in grab mode while maintaining maximum stability. The device comprises a sturdy 1900mm wide lattice boom that can extend up to 63.5 meters in length. It's appropriate for material handling, lifting work of up to 140 tons, below-ground construction, dynamic ground compaction, pile grabs, dragline buckets, mechanical and hydraulic diaphragm wall grabs, diaphragm wall cutters, and material handling. Every application will have enough power reserves thanks to the strong 708 kilowatt, optional 563 kilowatt diesel engine. which also satisfies strict Stage 4 emissions criteria. The machine also features 2x25-ton freefall winches and an optional 30-Newton-ton Deaglan winch. The McConnell Ditch and Grip Cleaner is the perfect tool for removing silt and mud from drainage ditches. This heavy-duty attachment is compatible with power arms from the 55 series and upwards. It's also been successfully adapted to work with a JCB. It includes a 600mm diameter rotary head, 4 cutting blades, and 4 throwing blades. This machine is made up of boron steel construction and can be hydraulically operated between 0 to 70 degrees or 0 to 120 degree head rotation. Property managers can handle difficult locations with the VentTrak boom mower, which is a flexible and adjustable piece of equipment. It's simpler to clear paths, trim hedges, and mow around water features because of its reach and steadiness, which allow it to control plants farther from the machine. It enhances sight and control when attached to the tractor, making it the perfect tool for handling stubborn vegetation on difficult terrain. The cutting head has a double-action sickle bar that enables it to cut a variety of objects and situations, including tree branches, cattails, shrubs, and thin native grasses. The Hyde PRM275 surface paver is a cutting-edge surface paver. Its lightweight aluminum construction and small size make it simple to transport and load using a wheel loader from all 3 sides. Its low-vibration chain drive guarantees smooth operation, while contemporary joysticks allow for delicate machine control. A surface miner with maximum availability and high daily production, the 260 SXI is ideal for difficult infrastructure projects. Construction of roads and railways, excavation of harbor basins, trenching for underground pipelines, and tunnel cutting are all jobs for which it's appropriate. High cutting performance, excellent material flow, and little pick wear are all features of its 2,750mm cutting drum unit. The operator's cabin, which is soundproofed, air-conditioned, and has all-around glazing, offers a comfortable and effective working environment. The HL102 is a flexible tool with 4-wheel drive, an engageable hydraulic differential lock, and a big drive wheel that may be used for both final fellings and thinnings. It maintains stability and slew movement with automatic level compensation, and its compact wheelbase and multiple steering options make it slightly maneuverable. The Atera Beachmaster beach cleaner is a versatile attachment designed for large-scale beach cleaning, horse arena maintenance, and other sand or dirt cleaning tasks. Its screen size ranges from 1 to 1/2 inch, allowing it to collect even the smallest trash pizzas. The hydraulic hopper has a capacity of 100 US gallons, making it suitable for handling large amounts of debris. The attachment's design allows the operator to face forward, providing better visibility and control. Unlike traditional tractor screeners, the Atera Beachmaster beach cleaner is mounted on the front of the tractor, making it easier to maneuver in tight spaces and around obstacles. With its high capacity and speed, it can screen 16,000 square feet of land per hour, making it an ideal choice for large-scale beach cleaning and horse arena maintenance. With its amazing capabilities, this attachment stands out among others in its class and is an exceptional option for any excavator owner wishing to effectively clear brush from roadsides, driveways, ditches, and other locations. The Cyclone 48-inch brush cutter's two 9-pound forged steel blades, which spin at speeds of 1500 RPMs, enable it to effectively handle even the toughest brush and debris, allowing it to easily cut through materials up to 6 inches in diameter. The Cyclone 48-inch brush cutter's versatility can be used with excavators weighing between 8,000 to 500 to 8,000 pounds, making it appropriate for a variety of applications, as well as its small size and simple to maneuver in confined spaces and around obstacles. The Packfix is a device made to gather small billets in a drum and wrap them in an airtight mesh for the best possible drawing. The drum, which measures 120 centimeters in diameter and 145 centimeters in height, is prepared for filling. With the aid of a control device, the swivel arm can be hydraulically raised, lowered, and turned. It can be fixed, portable, or charged in a variety of ways. The filling drum has a quick change system and a volume of 1.63 meters cubed. With a working width of 2.4 meters, a wide digging conveyor with 12mm diameter bars, rock traps, and maximum unloading safety, the Kirby RDL 15-25 is a flexible piece of equipment. It has a floating feeder rotor with a braking cylinder and is powered by a separate hydraulic unit. It performs exceptionally well overall, has a loading capacity of 120 to 200 meters cubed per hour, and has great pickup. The Kirby Asparagus Harvester is a device made to make the harvesting of asparagus more efficient. Farmers can now cut stalks 6 to 8 centimeters above the pickup bracket, which lowers labor costs and boosts productivity. Additionally, the device removes soil to guarantee that only the best asparagus is harvested. An adjustable speed sorting belt is used to separate the asparagus after harvesting into different piles based on size and quality. After harvesting the asparagus, the Kirby Asparagus Harvester also features cutting-edge technologies to preserve its quantity and freshness. The asparagus' shelf life is extended, guaranteeing its freshness and health, and the remaining stalk is cleaned and aired out for quicker recovery and higher quality. The Kirby Asparagus Harvester is a practical and affordable tool for farmers overall. A strong tool for haulage equipment, the RG14 grader provides smoother roads and fewer breakdowns. Walking tandems lessen bouncing and enable travel rates of at least 12 miles per hour. It aggressively slants blades and rear blade level dirt. Clay hardpan ripping can be done well with optional rippers, and the RG14's side tilt feature enables road crowning or grade finishing. Copperstone Technologies created the 400-kilogram amphibious robot Helix Neptune for the characterization of water. It can deploy in situ characterization equipment up to 200 meters deep and carries a sonar head for bathymetric surveys. A collection of autonomous field robots called Helix is intended for investigative tailings and monitoring the environment. Its innovative screw drives enable buoyancy, and a helical gauzer that spins in the water acts as a propeller. On tailings, Helix is appropriate for a variety of topographies and weather patterns. While water municipalities can manage stormwater ponds, it's utilized in mining to keep an eye on tailings storage facilities. In contrast to conventional approaches, Helix Neptune offers an autonomous surveying solution for bathymetric surveys, ensuring reliable data collecting and mapping of aquatic bodies. Its effectiveness in navigating shallow waters makes it an ideal choice for various industries. Boskalis, a Dutch company that provides services in the dredging, maritime, offshore, and infrastructure sectors. Endurance Cable Laying Vessel is a large ship that is specifically designed for laying underwater cables. It has a length of 99 meters and a molded depth of 7 meters. The ship has a turntable capacity of 5,000 tons and can carry a large inventory of cable laying equipment, including reelers, winches, and other necessary tools. Next up, this is the Hatachi ZX3SOC5, which is a machine designed to deliver strength and durability for working in challenging environments. This is fitted with booms that are able to reach up to 40 meters, and a cab that ensures the operator's safety at all times. Speaking of its cab, it's elevated to provide enhanced visibility. Even when it is generally heavy, this machine has amazing stability. Plus, the operator can choose to add a range of attachments to it to meet the demands of the material handling industry. It's also equipped with a telescopic arm for the removal of soil from depths of 30 meters below ground. Additionally, some versions for unique applications can load trucks to send the material off-site quickly. Their improved hydraulics let them function easily and effectively, boosting productivity on difficult urban excavation tasks. Next up, this is the Euromix Mixers, which features 2 vertical auger, a narrow hopper, and feed out via direct side doors. This machine is perfect for farms with lower buildings. Thanks to its 22 M3 capacity, this can also keep up even with farmers that require larger volumes. The distribution options on the front right and/or rear left via a chute or tilting conveyor are available for this modular machine, allowing it to work in all building configurations. When it comes to tasks that involve rapid vacuum collection of items, such as scattered drink cans, plastic bottles, cigarette butts, and etc., the LitterMaster 9000 comes in extremely handy. This machine is made to make trash or litter collection an easier task and is way faster than manually doing so. This machine is designed with the simple point-and-pickup feature that makes the whole operation speedy and efficient. Now, restoration after social events will not be a challenge anymore. Imagine, this helps 2 highway-based hand-picking crew members achieve an average roadside litter collection rate of 12 kilometers in 6 hours. This is way higher than the collection rate of 1 kilometer per 8-hour shift that they can achieve by manually picking up trash. With over 40 years of experience, Fawn's facility in Llangefni, UK, provides the specialized product Trackway, which has made a name for itself as a reliable solution for both civil and military applications. The product line consists of a variety of parts made to meet particular transportation-related difficulties, such as temporary roads for rough terrain, landing mats for helicopters and airplanes, and filler pieces for mending damaged landing places. Particularly interesting are the portable taxiways, which only require 2 people to deploy and take 10 minutes. Trackway has been widely adopted by military organizations all over the world, including the United Nations, providing its potency and dependability. Overall, Trackway is a great resource for individuals looking for reliable and effective logistics and transportation solutions. Then, this is the Hos Verger grader, which is an innovative machine designed to remove the dangerous road shoulder buildup. Thanks to this machine, things like water ponding and erosion on the sides of our roads can be prevented. But how does it do this? Well, it simply cuts the roadside verges and loads directly into waiting trucks. It works with the traffic flow and leaves the roadside clean and tidy, free from any buildup. This machine has really made road shoulder maintenance and removal such an easy task to do. This 1,100 horsepower machine is also known as the Big Bud 747, or 16V 747 Big Bud. It's known as a large custom-made farm tractor built in Harve, Montana in 1977. Due to its size with a height of 14 feet, a length of 27 feet, and a width of 13 feet and 4 inches, this has been dubbed as the world's largest farm tractor. To put things into perspective, this is twice the size of many of the largest production tractors in the world. The Soviet Union produced the versatile articulated tracked carrier known as the Vitas DT30. This vehicle was created to transport large cargo over rough terrain, including marshes, sand, and snow during severe weather. Due to its distinctive design, it can function in environments where other all-terrain vehicles can't. The amphibious nature of the Vitas family of ATVs is one of their distinguishing characteristics. As a result, they're able to return to a mothership, which is particularly advantageous when a vehicle cannot be transported by land. The Vitas can also travel off-road if one of its units is inoperable, without one or even without both of its tracks. The Kamatsu MC51 is the next item. It has a robotic boom with a 5-axis motion system that can profile any shape within a development tunnel's typical 5x5 meter profile. Excellent tunnel quality and a decrease in overbreak are produced by the machine's excellent precision and accuracy, which allow it to cut to within 50 millimeters of the design. The rock is divided into uniformly sized pieces, brought to the machine's center, and then sent to a mine truck or LHD behind it for removal. The machine has a system of Kamatsu tracks, which allow it to move around easily and balance itself when cutting. The MC51 is a tethered electric machine, which implies that electricity powers it and eliminates the need for any additional power source. The next machine is called the Mobile Shredder Titan 950, and it has 5 major features that it boasts about. First of all, it has the largest range of applications. This means that this machine is able to process many types of material even when they have the toughest requirements. Next, it also has the revolutionary shaft quick change system. This feature allows a shortened maintenance time and also allows the refurbishment and changing of different shaft types to achieve an uninterrupted operation. Speaking of seamless operation, it's also designed to have maximum mobility so it runs smoothly in every situation. It also has a track system as standard and cost-effective transport. A cutting-edge device created for effective and precise pumpkin seed collecting is the Modi KE3000 Hydro S Pumpkin Seed Harvester. This harvester is equipped with a big screening drum and a hydraulic drive, which enable it to handle enormous capacity and produce high-quality seeds with little loss. The Modi KE3000's cheap operation is one of its main benefits. Significant cost savings are achieved by the hydraulic drive and lower fuel consumption, while the lower hydraulic oil volume reduces the possibility of leaks and spills. The harvester's pure and clean seeds are a result of its advanced design and hydraulic drive. The movements of the harvester can be done separately, ensuring that the seeds are not damaged during the harvesting process. Additionally, the ARS cleaning system, which operates silently and without a suction fan, prevents the accumulation of dust and ensures that the seeds remain clean and free of contaminants. With more than 55 years of service, the Deaglan Rock King has perfected rock pickers. In the industry, they're known to have such excellent performance and amazing durability. To be more specific, the Deaglan Rock King 9600 is designed to have a 5 cubic yard bucket, which allows operators to actually spend most of their time now at the windrow instead of the rock pile. It also has a 7'3" dump height, so that the pile is higher and a tidier rock pile is achieved. vadKurt Agritechnica is a Hungarian company that specializes in the development and production of agricultural machinery and equipment. The company is known for its high-quality products and innovative designs, which are designed to meet the needs of farmers and other agricultural professionals. This machine is fit for heavy-duty agricultural tasks and can surely enhance the productivity of the farms. Next up, this is the Sunjo SB J605E 3-in-1 electric blower, which is a 3-in-1 lightweight, sleek, and powerful lawn and leaf cleanup machine. This was designed to make such tasks easier, fun, and quick too. This machine is equipped with an interchangeable tube design, which means that it can transform from 250 mph blower to a mulcher with a superior 16:1 mulching ratio. Even when it is a blower, it ensures operators of a quiet operation with its 14-amp instant start electric motor. The AgZeed AgBot's 3-wheel design, which enables even and soil-preserving rollover, is one of its distinguishing qualities. The machine will be able to operate at its full potential thanks to its design, even on difficult terrain. The AgZeed AgBot is ideal for orchards and other agricultural applications because it's also built for continuous operation. The AgZeed AgBot places a high premium on safety and has several safeguards to protect both users and the environment. The AgZeed AgBot has a geofence system, contact-sensitive bumpers, ultrasonic sensors built into the safety bumper, visual indicator lights, and more. Next up, this is the Wrap 10 Field Trimmer, which is an entry-level machine. Despite it being an entry-level, operators can still be assured that it can deliver its full performance. Thanks to this machine, trimming fields has now become easier. It can trim round shapes from 15 up to 55 centimeters, up to 600 plants per hour. Thanks to the flexible wrap cutting circle, it only takes seconds to change diameter. A very astonishing technology. The Captive Air Amphibious Transporter, CAAT, may completely alter how containers are delivered from ships to shore. This 1:5 scale tracked amphibious vehicle was created by DARPA to show that it is possible to move typical 20 or 40-foot containers without the need for a harbor. The CAT's capacity to go along water thanks to air-filled pontoons fastened to the tracks is one of its main advantages. This makes it the perfect option for shipping containers to places where there aren't any viable traditional transportation options. Pecan, a Dutch company, has created a novel invention called the Gullwing Double Tire System. There are two sets of tires, one set on each side of the tractor that may be folded up or down depending on whether the tractor is being used for work or transportation. When in use, the gullwing system offers a dual-wheel configuration that resembles a twin-wheeled tractor. The system folds up to a narrower width in the transport position, making it safer to use on the roads. The justification for this is because when tractors' twin wheels are down, they are overly wide, which might cause problems on public roadways. The Tanco A200EH bale wrapper is a stationary single bale device created to speed up and reduce the cost of bale wrapping. It is a turntable style and budget-friendly bale wrapper, and the installation can be done quickly and easily without the use of any tools. The machine's sturdy build and low-profile design make it ideal for wrapping huge bales in a single continuous sheet with a predetermined overlap. Let's now move on to the KTR Chain Trencher, which is a machine designed to produce trenches with perfect profiles and widths that range from 17 to 45 centimeters. These also have a maximum depth of 1.8 meters. Depending on the task at hand, the operator can choose between a range of cutting change widths. The KTR is supported while sumping down to the appropriate cutting depth before beginning the trench. A land or amphibious vehicle that uses screw propulsion may go over treacherous terrain like snow, ice, mud, and swamps. These vehicles are propelled by rotating cylinders in the shape of augers that engage the medium through or above the vehicle with a helical flange. The U.S. military designates them as marginal terrain vehicles, MTV, and they serve unique purposes. One or more pairs of massive flanged cylinders, each with a spiral helical flange, normally carry the weight of the vehicle. The vehicle's resting surface, ideally one made of a slightly soft material like snow, sand, or mud, is where the flange makes contact. An engine counter rotates the cylinders, causing the vehicle to move forward or backward along the axis of rotation. The next machine is the Zpipe Monster. The machine's hydraulic system powers the radially placed cutter reels while outfitted with ski slope vehicles. It has a working speed of 500 to 800 meters per hour and a lateral movement of 1800 millimeters. The cutter reel's half-pipe design makes it possible to remove snow effectively. The extracted snow is ejected out of the pipe via an ejection chute. After cutting, finishers attached to the housing smooth the snow's surface. The driver can check the ideal angle and modify it as needed thanks to an integrated measuring device. For the creation of expert half-pipes for international events, the Pipe Monster was created. The next machine is the R934 Electronic. This has a total weight of 35 tons and a completely updated design of the new range of Generation 8 machines. The R934 Electronic's engine power, which is rated at 200 kilowatts or 272 horsepower, is one of its most prominent characteristics. This enables the excavator to move vast amounts of material rapidly and effectively while handling even the most difficult tasks with ease. The R934 Electronic has several more cutting-edge technologies that make it simpler and safer to operate in addition to its strong engine and huge bucket capacity. The Brock 90 is a highly adaptable tool made specifically for demolition in small places. It's the perfect option for usage in residential, commercial, and industrial settings where there are load restrictions on floors thanks to its small design, simple operation, and potent tools. Its compact size makes it simple to transport in a small truck or trailer and simple to move from one floor to another using stairs or an elevator. The Brock 90 can also be plugged in and prepared to work immediately, supplying electricity as needed. The Brock 90's capacity to do light and medium-duty demolition operations across a variety of industries is one of its key features. The Mercedes-Benz Unimog is an incredibly distinctive and adaptable vehicle that can handle a variety of duties and locations. The Unimog is an excellent option for a variety of industries and applications thanks to its all-wheel drive system and distinctive chassis design, which allows it to traverse even the most difficult off-road terrain. The Unimog's outstanding adaptability is one of its main benefits. The Unimog may be configured to do a variety of activities, from agricultural labor to construction projects. The Unimog's innovative chassis design is another essential component. As a result, the car can have features like a strong suspension system, high ground clearance, and a low center of gravity that make it quite capable off-road. The Unimog is perfect for usage in difficult locations like mines, woods, and construction sites because of these features. Now let's look at the machine that was designed to promote sanitation. This is the Street Cleaner, an attachment for the multi-hog tractor. This is excellent at cleaning thanks to its powerful scrubber deck and pressure washer combination. Due to this strength in cleaning, this is perfect for cleaning sidewalks, car parks, and much more. It's usually employed when areas like the municipal or facilities fleet need some cleaning. To allow water to flow freely, vegetation strips must be continuously removed from gravel roadways that are sand and water bound. If drainage fails after routine maintenance, it may be necessary to spend a lot of money on follow-up work and rehabilitation. Regular maintenance is necessary and should cost as little as possible to provide accessibility for cars and bicycles. The ability of the road body to dry out is essential for the longevity of a gravel road. The pavement may suffer serious damage if this is not done. The use of SBV plate compactor and Steer SUG's 35 system allows for less expensive, more regular maintenance. The mechanism enables lateral adjustment, trench tightening, and banquet cutting in the valley side. The Rapid Rex Twister is a flexible and dependable piece of machinery that has established itself as an invaluable asset for a variety of applications. Its capacity to operate securely and productively on slopes with gradients of up to 120 degrees is one of the crucial elements that contribute to its success. The hydrostatic drive, which enables constantly changing forward and reverse travel, is an additional significant element. Due to their increased flexibility and control, operators can easily move the Rapid Rex Twister in any direction. Additionally, the active handlebar steering makes it possible for operators to precisely and effortlessly control the vehicle, even in confined locations or on difficult terrain. The Rapid Rex Twister also offers maximum traction, thanks to the fact that both wheels are driven in all situations. This provides superior stability and grip, allowing the machine to work effectively in a wide range of conditions. Furthermore, the low overall weight of the Rapid Rex Twister ensures that it does not damage the ground when working, making it an ideal choice for use in environmentally sensitive areas. If you want to learn more about amazing machines, you can go ahead and watch our video on incredible welding techniques and skills you need to see. We'll see you there. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. And remember to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay tuned for more amazing tools and construction equipment that will leave you in awe. Thanks for watching,